It's here. Never try. Maybe you can try with 2mm. Size 7. Size 7, I will wrap it at size 6. 2 line. 2 line, no, didn't try it. If 2 line, so it need 3 wire. 2 line need 3 wire. Maybe can be tried. In another way is wrap it 2 times, come like this technique. In this way, then it come 2 line, then go to wrap. Yeah, I think the way can be this way. Size 7. Okay. And we're going to cut. Okay. It's a size 7 we are made. Fold it here. Okay. Okay. Then let's use the wire 0.4, wrap the beads. Here. And the way wrap, it's a very easy ring we making. 0.1 millimeter for this thick wire. 1 millimeter we use. Thick wire is 1 millimeter we used. Here. One, two, three. Okay. Then I will go into wrap the end back, make it stronger. Copper wire, Milo. Yeah, it's copper wire we use here. Tight. Why I wrap the back is the purpose make this ring not easy out of shape. Copper wire, non-tannish copper wire. We are a shop not sell the ready-made. We sell the bulk materials here. If you are interested in making the jewelry, here you can get it copper wire here for try. One pack 12.5 is copper wire, non-tarnish. This way, the back will wrap like this is make this ring not going to be out of shape. Stronger. Okay.